Hi all, today I will make a video about silver coins. I got delivery today, just now. I remove that invoice. I decided to invest some of my profits from cryptocurrency into silver and gold coins. So I made few orders with 3 different companies, plus I bought 3 grab bags on eBay, and I will be opening them this week and next week when the deliveries come. So if you're interested about the subject of collecting the silver and gold, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell button, and I will keep you informed. So let me open that. Okay, delivery was kind of quick. I ordered that on Sunday night. Today is Thursday, so the company which I ordered with is called apmex, and we see if everything is as was ordered. I don't know what is that. Okay, let's see what quality coins came. Oh, they came already with the plastic cups, so that's very nice of them. That's a panda. I don't know if it's visible. The coin is perfect. 1 second, I try to zoom it in. I don't know if you can see it. That's Australian color. This is actually I think 7 ounces in that one. I've got another one coming on Monday, another one coming on Wednesday. As I said, I ordered in 3 different companies plus 3 grab bags on eBay. I will keep them open. I will open them on and record the opening. Okay, that's panda. There's no even one scratch on it. The condition is perfect. Sorry about that. Oops. I have to pause the video 1 second. Sorry about that. There's another panda. Let's zoom it on it. Beautiful coin. And that's on the packaging. So as I said, delivery was quick. Coins look they are in perfect condition. Oh no, no. That coin is stained. I have to contact Apex, and they, as I heard, they will exchange it. So it is badly stained. That coin is 2014. Canadian gold, 4 nines. There's a almost pure silver. Those coins stain very easily, so that coin I have to put it away and send it back to them. The other bird is not a perfect quality. It's starting to stain as well. Probably you can't see it. I have to send that one as well. I will keep you informed if they exchange it to me. I have to contact them. I don't know if you can see it. That one is very badly stained on both sides. That coin is worth nothing. It's worth just the silver value, spot price. So I will keep you informed what they're gonna do about it. That's Silver Eagle, American Silver Eagle. It's good condition, but not perfect. I ordered some. With the next delivery I'm gonna get airtight cups, so I'm gonna put them into the airtight cups. That's 2008. It's 3 nines, so it's a bit more other metals added to that silver, so it's not staining so quickly, but I can see on the sides already it's starting to stain. That one is Canadian maple leaf. It's in good condition. It's in good condition, so there's no problem with that. That's what is in there. They gave me actually the free of charge cups for those 4 coins, so I didn't really had to order the cups, so that's nice of them. It's one more coin here. That's another panda. Very good condition. 2017. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, just that one coin that I'm disappointed about. I'm gonna write the email to them now and see what they're gonna say. 2014. That is a bird collection. I ordered some more of them. I have another 2 orders with that company, so maybe they can send it me with the one of those orders, the other coin, or maybe that has to arrive to them first. So that would be it for this video. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you are interested about the content which I'm gonna provide now. So I'm gonna check 3 companies out plus eBay, and we'll see what gonna get in the grab bags. Is it worth it or is not worth it, or is that a big scam? So that would be it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.